Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I'm sharing a quick nighttime self-care routine. These past 2 weeks I haven't made very much time for myself at all. The kids have been sick and at home with me, so I've skipped my pamper days in order to get work done after they go to bed. Tonight I decided to give myself a quick pick-me-up, starting with a nice bath. I'll have all of the products that I can find linked in the description for you guys. I'm using this Shea Moisture Daily Hydration 2-in-1 Bubble Bath and Body Wash, and of course my Dr. Teal's Lavender Scented Epsom Salt Bath Bomb. As soon as I hopped in the bathtub, in comes one of my kids, my son Enyer. He started with just playing with the bubbles, then he decided to make himself real comfortable and dipped his little feet in. Now I'm getting into my shower routine. The coffee scrub I found at Walmart and wanted to try it out. I also have this Shea Moisture Coconut Sugar Scrub. I have used this before and I like it a lot. The Shea Moisture Soothing Body Mask I've shown in one of my vlogs, and I cannot wait to use this again. It was so good. I'm also using Good Old Nair for hair removal today, and my customized shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner from Function of Beauty. I took an online quiz based on my hair's needs, starting with hair type, hair structure, and scalp moisture. I chose 5 hair goals and customized my formula. You can choose your fragrance. I also like that they have the option for a lighter scent or stronger. This time I went with pink for my shampoo and conditioner, but next time I'm for sure going to try the blue. It's so pretty. I'll also choose my conditioner to be larger than my shampoo because I use way more conditioner than I do shampoo. The best part about Function of Beauty is they use clean ingredients and are backed by science. Every product is free of sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, and gluten. Everything is also vegan and cruelty-free. I like a moisturizing shampoo for my weekly wash days. This one was definitely moisturizing. It didn't leave my hair feeling stripped. I did pre-poo because that's what I always do before I shampoo. I did follow up with the deep conditioner and left that in overnight, as I always do with all of my deep conditioners, because I feel that's how I get the best results. Function of Beauty is available in the US, Great Britain, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and more. Click the link in my bio to get 20% off your first order. After washing my hair and applying my hair mask, I'm going to use this coffee scrub. I did this before I washed my body because I thought maybe it would leave a film, and it did. It also made a huge mess in the shower, but it washed down really easily without staining. Next, I'm going to use Nair to remove the hair from my legs and arms. Most times I shave, but Nair gives me the silkiest result. After that, I'm washing off any remaining product and the coffee scrub off really well before I go in with the Shea Moisture Body Mask. I use this everywhere except my face. I thought it wouldn't work because my skin was damp, but I just warmed it up in my hands and smeared it everywhere. When Ruby came back in to film this part, she was like, "What the heck are you doing?" It did feel so nice though and cooling. It smells fresh and it left my skin feeling very clean. I will definitely use this again. You guys already know my rose water toner. I use it all over my body after every shower before I apply my body lotion. I'm still using the kids one because I love it so much. I wish I could find it in a bigger size. Now I'm in my PJs about to do my nighttime skincare routine. I'm using all of the same products that I did last time. I'm still loving the Drunk Elephant night serum and the Lancome moisturizer. These two at night have definitely improved the texture of my skin. I'm glowing every morning and my makeup looks flawless. I definitely recommend these two. Lastly, I just applied some hand and foot cream and slipping my socks back on. After I eat, I'll brush my teeth and apply my lip mask, take my eye mask off and apply my eye cream, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.